Dr. Kevin Blumenthal, and I'm a hair transplant surgeon here at Natural Transplants Hair Restoration Clinic. Today, I'm going to talk about the 5 things that I would do to help improve and reform the health and wellness industry. The first thing is to implement better regulations for patient protection. Now, unfortunately, there are few, if any, regulations throughout much of the health and wellness industry. Many of the products and pills claim these magic recoveries or fixes to cure all ails, with few, if any, data or proof to support such claims. There are few, if any, federal or state regulations as well. Now, even if these pills or juices or products are not harmful, which some may be, oftentimes they don't work and just result in patients getting taken advantage of and losing their money. There needs to be some element of responsibility or oversight within the industry, or if necessary, it needs to come from outside the industry. Any claims need to be proven with studies and data that are made available for patients to see. And if no such data exists, that needs to be stated on the product. The second thing that I would do would be to expand medical insurance coverage into the health and wellness industry. As most of us know, many of the expenses for the health and wellness industry are out of pocket, and it's only going to get more expensive with time. The third thing is to enhance patient education. Patient education must improve. Unfortunately, direct-to-consumer marketing has created this onslaught of information to the patient. The doctor should be the one with the patient's best interest in mind and should be the one that is the central source for good and honest medical information and advice. Doctors and medical staff typically have years, if not decades, of experience and hopefully no incentive other than the patient's best interest. This is not typically the case for the direct-to-consumer marketing and advertising. Oftentimes there is little, if any, training or medical experience, and the incentive is typically to sell, sell, sell. Marketing and sales has unfortunately been disguised to look like medical advice. The fourth thing that I would do would be to adopt a more holistic approach to wellness. There needs to be an increased awareness of both inner and outer wellness for patients, a more holistic approach to care. Thankfully, it seems that many people are waking up to the importance of mental health and the role it plays in the physical and overall health. As they say, the body keeps the score. And we're starting to recognize what most indigenous cultures have long known, that mental health and childhood experiences can shape physical health and overall health all your life. When the mind and the body and the soul are cared for and nourished, the whole body ecosystem functions better and is in more harmony and alignment. The body is not a collection of separate organs. It is an interrelated ecosystem connected with itself and with others. The fifth thing that I would do would be to encourage more patients to start taking ownership and responsibility for their own health and wellness. No one else is going to do this for you. One of the most simple but not easy places to start is with prevention, and that includes self-care. Now, I don't mean manicures and pedicures, although they can be enjoyable and lovely. What I mean is taking care of your whole body ecosystem, your mind, your body, and your soul. Taking care of the mind includes regulating this constant bombardment of all things trying to capture your attention, like social media and the news. Taking care of the body includes eating real whole foods, not just processed foods. Getting regular exercise, getting good sleep and hydration. Taking care of the soul is rooted in mindfulness, finding this purpose and passion in life, and connecting with people and animals and nature. For more discussion on my 5 key points, or just to get my take on the health and wellness industry as a whole, feel free to read the full article. And if you want to get in touch with myself or any of my colleagues, feel free to reach out to us at naturaltransplants.com.